Hey guys, going to go over your math boxes that you had left. There's not many of them. We have C and E here, and then we have box 6. So taking a look at C here, if you remember back a long time ago I talked about, we made this represents a gallon of milk or whatever, and in a gallon of milk there's 4 quarts, and each quart is split into 2 pints. So to solve this one you need to take 10, and if you're going this way, you divide by 2. So it would be 10 divided by 2. Or you could think something times 2 is 10. Either way, it's going to be 5. And the same thing when you have quarts, and you have 2 pints here, when you make cups, you're splitting the pints into 4 pieces. So here we have 3 pints. Each pint is 2 cups. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we're going to look at problem 6, which we didn't do, which is Ty's trophies, and they're sending 6 trophies. I'm going to show you a super duper easy way to solve this, which actually makes it a lot quicker. So they're sending you 6 trophies of all these different ones. So we're going to take 6 and we're going to multiply it times 3 and 3, that's 3 and 3/8, plus 2 and 1/8, plus 2 and 7/8, and that's going to equal so many pounds. I have to move mine over. So the first thing we want to do is we want to add up all of these. Add up all the whole numbers, all the fractions. We have 3 and 3/8, 2 and 1/8, and 2 and 7/8. Add the whole numbers, add the fractions. 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 more is 7. Here you'd have 3 and 7 is 10, 1 more is 11/8. So now that we've done that, what we have to do now is take this and multiply by 6. So we can do that in 2 steps. 6 times 7 and 11/8. And I'm going to show you how you can do this in 2 steps with just one problem. So the first thing you have to do is 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Now we're going to do 6 times 11/8. And you know that the denominator is going to be 8 because 1 times 8 is 8. So 6 times 11 is 66. Now you know that you can't leave it like this because you wouldn't say it's 42 and 66/8 pounds. What you should do is take and go 66 divided by 8. And now we can get rid of this, because what we're going to get is we're going to get a whole number and a fraction to add on to this. So if you weren't sure how to start this, you'd maybe do 5. 8 times 5 is 40. And subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. How many 8s can go into 26? 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and subtract, you get 2. So here you'd have 8 and 2/8. So with 42, we're adding 8 and 2/8. And really all you got to do is add the 42 plus 8, because the 2/8 is going to stay there. So go ahead and finish that if you haven't. 42 plus 8 is 50, and then 2/8 of a pound. Alright guys, that was your math boxes for today.